Welcome back. Let's make this beaded frame together, shall we? So I made this in 5 yards, and let me show you how it was made. Like I say, it's very easy. So let's jump in. For this particular tutorial, we'll need strip, that is wherever you want to attach the fringe. You need beads. This is size 6 crystal beads. This is sand bead. This is another type of crystal, but in the egg shape and in size 8. So this is twist bead or spiral, like I like to call it. This is thread and this is needle. Now this is the kind of long needle I'm going to be using for this. Now for this tutorial, first of all, pick the strip and then already thread the needle and then put the needle through the back. So we're going to be tying it right now, but we're going to be tying at the back. I over dragged it there, so I just brought it out a bit. So once you put the thread in, you just put your needle in between the thread like that and just pull. You can do it the second time if you want to, but I don't think there's any need. So I put my needle through the back into the front. So the thread came out in front and the knot we tied is at the back. So we're going to place this right here right now, and then we're going to be attaching the bead. So first thing I put there was the sand bead. After the sand bead, I went ahead to put the twist bead right there. After the twist bead, I went ahead to put the crystal bead. So I put one crystal bead. I put another bigger crystal bead in size 8, and I put another size 6 crystal bead. And then I finally ended by putting a sand bead at the end. So I'm going to pushing it all the way down, and then we're going to be tying. So to tie it, we're going to bring the sand bead down a bit and then put the needle through all the beads all the way to the top, and then we're going to go ahead and tie it at the back. So the needle will go back into the strip to the back the way we passed it the first time before we started out. So let me run through it again. So all we have is one sand, one twist bead, one size 6 crystal, one size 8 crystal in egg shape, one size 6 crystal, and one sand bead, and then we locked it. So we came to the back right here to just tie it to make sure it stays put. And then by the time we finish tying it, we get the scissors, cut off the excess thread, of course. And then when we are done, this right here is what it looks like in front. Usually, as usual, I'll always do it in like 6 yards minimum. So this right here is what it looked like by the time I finished the whole 6 yards. So this is it, and then that's the whole bundle of the 6 yards right there. So yes, I can make it for commercial purposes if you want. So this is what it looks like and how it comes. So thanks so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.